About how many months did the spill continue effectively?
The spill rate varied depending on what was being done to stem the flow, but the spill occurred for just over 4.5 months in total.
So the jury have some idea. Does the yellow area reflect the area touched by oil one way or another?
It does, yes.
What was the impact or effect on the first of the ecosystems, that's the ocean one, at either a surface or deep level?
In terms of the water column itself, the impact was relatively small. There was an impact, it affected fisheries. In terms of the seabed ecosystem in the open ocean, around the rig area, there's an area of around about 10 kilometers in circle around the area which has been impacted. Now that occurs through smothering. Even at 1.5 kilometers, there is a deep ocean ecosystem. It's very complex, it's very fragile, and the oil smothering effectively cuts out life to that area. And so it's basically completely devastated that particular area.
Is that an impact that is continuing now, or it's impossible to say?
That is continuing now and will be a long-term impact.
How long?
Estimates vary. The measurements so far from Woodhull Institute and from other organizations around the US coast who've been investigating this show that the thickness of oil in these areas is of the order of several centimeters. That doesn't sound a lot, but that's sufficient to smother life for some extensive time. And because of the depth and temperature of these particular deposits, it will take, we think, between 10 and 20 years for bacteria and other microbes to break this oil down at depth.